Welcome to our quick and easy guide on how to submit a support ticket with LaraPush. If you are encountering any issue or have questions, our dedicated team is ready to assist. Let's go through the steps together. Step 1. Accessing support options. First, you have two ways to reach our support team. You can either use LaraPush panel or visit our support site directly. For the LaraPush panel, navigate to your dashboard and click on Report Bug. Then enter your registered email address. Alternatively, visit support.larapush.com for direct access to our support system. Step 2. Signing up for support. Click on the sign up button you see on the screen. A sign up link will be sent to your Gmail account. Open the email and click on sign up. Enter your name, create a password and you are all set. Step 3. Submitting your support ticket. Once signed in, you will be on the support assistant dashboard of LaraPush. Look for Submit Request and Incident and click on it. Describe the problem in detail in the provided form. Finally, press the send button to submit your ticket. And that's it. Your ticket is now submitted and our team will respond within 24 working hours. We are here to ensure your experience with LaraPush is smooth and trouble-free. If you have any more questions, feel free to reach out. Thank you for choosing LaraPush and have a wonderful day.